Hey you guys, if you would like to see how I went from having these juicy little twists or whatever to having this super beautiful defined twist out, please keep watching. So I want to start off by saying that when I did this, it was not supposed to be a tutorial. It was just me doing my hair, and it's not a tutorial. I just think my twist came out really juicy, and I just want y'all to see how it look when I take it down. So this isn't a tutorial. This is just watch me get a bomb twist out. That's all this is, okay? So let's just get down into it. I'm gonna start by taking these off. Good definition. Okay, so I am going to take this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum and do about 2 to 3 pumps on my hands and start unraveling these twists. As you can see, like my last twist out tutorial, I simply unwind it in the opposite direction I twisted it in and just find a gap and take it down from there. And y'all, look at this definition. Look at it. I can't. My hair looks super shiny and healthy, and I honestly wish I would have recorded it from the beginning so y'all could have seen the products and stuff that I used. But y'all, my hair was just super defined and so beautiful. And like I said in my last video, you can really tell how your twist out is going to come out based on how the initial definition is once you take the twist down. So as you can see, it was popping, honey. It was. And after completely unraveling my twist, this is what I was left with. Look at that beautiful definition, y'all. It was so beautiful. I can't. And it was shiny and so healthy looking. So I put some more of the serum on my hands before I separate it. And all I do is just take small pieces and I like pull it from root to end to cause as little frizz as possible. And then just take the end and twist it around my finger. And that's pretty much it. And this was the initial definition just from separating. That's all I did was just separate it. Okay, so now on to the edges. I'm going to use my toothbrush and my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to lay my edges. And this is all I'm doing. If you watched my twist out tutorial, this is pretty much how I normally lay my edges when I wear a side part. Because like I said in that video, I just think it's super cute having your baby hairs and then have it, you know, fade into that little swoop. That's just super cute to me. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, look at that definition. But y'all know how I like to add gel just to set my little baby hairs or whatever. But yeah, that's it. So now, as you can see, I'm just kind of fluffing it because although I love how my hair look, I'm trying to get more volume. So a trick of mine is to flip that one piece over right there. And yeah, that really does help add volume to the other side. And yeah, that's just, you know, a little trick of mine. But this is my final results, y'all, and I love it. I love it so much. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. It's super defined. And if you want to know how I got like it shorter, kind of, you know how I had those perm rods on these top two sections, one right here and one right here, I made sure to leave more hair out to twist up on the rod so I can get more of that curl, which is more shrinkage, to kind of give it like a layer type of look. And that layer look gives me a lot more volume. So that's the trick. And then to kind of volume out this side, I always flip some hair over here. Like the only time I don't do that is when it's a wash and go, and it's because I let it do what it do. But anytime I do perm process, twist out, flexi process, everything, I flip this one piece over to just get this side a bit more volume. But I love my hair. Oh, I love it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button first and foremost, because you know this is popping, and if you want more of this poppiness, you gonna have to subscribe, and then like and comment on this video, like it so I know you like stuff like this. Comment down below what's your trick to getting volume with your twist outs, and what's your trick to just getting awesome definition. Like, I love twist outs, y'all. As you can see, I posted a twist out video like 2 videos ago, but I did recently post a twist out video, and here's another one. I just love twist outs now. I might love them more than I love my wash and go, and y'all know I'm a wash and go girl, but this is popping and it's so easy to do. Oh, I'm here for it. Okay, let me stop rambling. Bye, y'all. Bye.